My replacement Squawk and Talk soundboard configured for 8 Ball Deluxe has a couple of improvements over the stock soundboard. I currently have the stock board installed. Listen for two things. When I knock down two targets at the same time, you'll only hear one call out. Also, listen carefully and you'll hear the background stop each time a voice plays.
Six ball, 4 ball, 3 ball, shoot for 1 ball.
I've got my replacement board installed now. Listen for the difference.
Chalk up. 6 ball, 5 ball, 4 ball, 7 ball, 3 ball, 2 ball, shoot for 1 ball. Chalk up. 4A, 5 ball. Six ball, shoot 4A, shoot 4A. Shoot 4A. Four ball. Get the A. Make the A. 1 ball. Shoot 4A. Shoot 4A. 2 ball. Shoot 4A. 3 ball. Sink the 7 ball. Get the 7 ball. 7 ball. Shoot for 8 ball. Get the 8 ball. Corner pocket. Nice shot. Go for Deluxe. Three ball. Seven ball.
Soundbank 3 has female voice callouts. To get to Soundbank 3, flip the number 1 and the number 2 dip switches in the Soundbank area to on.
Soundbank 1. Soundbank 3.
Chalk up. 4 ball, 5 ball. 3 ball. Make the B. Seven ball, 6 ball, 1 ball, 2 ball, sink the 8 ball. Nice shot. Shoot for deluxe. Go for B. Go for B. 6 ball,